It was a very beautiful show. We really loved it. Saw the last show as well of Balraj Sani, and this was another level. Very good. Thank you so much.
It was an excellent show, and yesterday also I attended at Triveni Kala Sangam, and she has presented it, narrated it absolutely superbly. The life journey of all the three brothers. I have been a huge fan of Dev Saab and Chetan Saab and Vijay Anand ji, and it was a perfect review. Thank you.
I wish Suhaila all the best, and I wish such things happen more. Though I was sitting on the floor, but still I enjoyed it. And I actually gate crashed. I was told not to go in. Be careful. You're a senior citizen. It's lot of risk. 1 घंटे के लिए आप अपनी लाइफ रिस्क कर रहे हैं. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, स्टैम्पीड होगा तो मैं ऊपर से भाग के आ जाऊंगी. But it was good, and I wish these things go on because theatre needs a revival. It needs a revival, and we should really appreciate it. Thank you.
It was a great program in the sense that we have already heard a lot about Dev Saab, about his stardom. But this program showcased the real relationship between the three brothers, Chetan Anand, Dev Anand and Vijay Anand. And the sort of fantastic relationship, both good and bad, which they shared. Of course, Dev has been a hero for generations. But here we got to know what role Chetan played and what Goldie played in the success of Dev Saab. So this is a special show which I feel should be shown both on television as well as internet channels so that the new generation knows that other than Dev Saab, he had his elder brother and his younger brother in the great success which he was. Thanks.
देखिए, मुझे तो आज तक जब भी कोई देवानंद, विजयानंद, चेतानंद से रिलेटेड कोई भी चीज़ हो, किताब हो, पिक्चर हो या इस तरह का प्रोग्राम, कभी कभी मैं मिस नहीं कर सकता. और उन तीनों भाइयों ने हमारे देश को इतना बढ़िया सिनेमा दिया है, इतने लोगों को इतनी खुशी दी है, करोड़ों लोगों को. और आप देख सकते हैं कि इतने सालों बाद भी इतने फैंस यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं. तो बहुत खुशी है कि आप लोगों ने ये प्रोग्राम किया, और आप प्लीज़ और करते रहिएगा ज़रूर.
Hello, my name is Mridul, and it was fantastic to attend this event. Being a fan of films, being a fan of Devanand himself, and I knew a lot about all the brothers, but learning, recapping their career and जो चीज़ें बताई सोहेला जी ने काफ़ी अच्छी थी, and बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के. And इन्होंने जो फिल्म्स करी हैं, they've contributed a lot. The Anand brothers, all three of them, they've contributed a lot to the world cinema.
मेरा नाम बुरहान कुरैशी है और मैं सुहेला मैम के साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ काफ़ी समय से. और देव साहब की जो लाइंस है ना, जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया, मैं दिल को उस मुकाम पे लाता चला गया. तो इतनी पता नहीं था इतना उनके बारे में जितना मैम ने अच्छे से बताया, उनको डिस्क्राइब किया. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये रिग्रेट फील भी होता है कि हम क्यों नहीं थे उस ज़माने में, या ऐसे लोग अब क्यों नहीं हैं, और अगर हैं तो वो कहाँ हैं, हमें दिखते क्यों नहीं हैं. तो जो भी उनसे सुना, जो भी इनके बारे में पता चला, बहुत ही मतलब एक एनर्जेटिक फीलिंग आ रही है उसे देखकर, और इंस्पिरेशन है और सबके लिए. और जिस तरह से मैम ने नरेट किया उसे मज़ा आ गया.
तो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, और उनके बारे में जानने को मिला बहुत ज़्यादा. हालांकि मैं उनकी मूवी बहुत देखता हूँ, पसंद भी करता हूँ, स्पेशली उनके जो सॉन्ग्स हैं, एक्टिंग, जो उनका चार्म था वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
नए ज़माने की मूवीज़ में, पुराने ज़माने की मूवीज़ में बस यही अच्छा है कि शायद उन मूवीज़ को हम फैमिली के साथ देख सकते हैं.
It was so beautiful. I didn't realize how time flew, and people from my generation should also, know about how Dev Saab was, and about his entire thing. It was beautiful.
For Mrs. Kapoor, अपनी महफिल में जिसे चाहें बुला सकती हैं आप, हम भला क्या हैं, सितारों को झुका सकती हैं आप.
It was absolutely beautiful. I have always been a Dev Anand fan, and I knew a little bit about the other brothers, but it was great hearing it, through their own means. So getting to hear about the brothers and the relationship between the three brothers was absolutely brilliant.
Narration was wonderful, spoken very well and very naturally, and we got involved in the story about each character. Of whom we know nothing. We just know them as music director or artist, or director, or we loved them all and loved each of their movies. But we didn't know such details, and we don't know how the time passed. It was very nice, very entertaining, and it was like you're listening to somebody at home telling stories of the family. Thank you.
Wonderful, and she made it so interesting, and she made it all come alive. And they were, lesser known, which the public do not know. And that is what made it so interesting and in-depth. It was great.
I've absolutely enjoyed it. Brings back so many memories of our childhood. Looking at the hero Devanand, it is wonderful, wonderfully presented.
It was just amazing. Gave me a lot of insight about Devanand. I didn't want her to end. I wish it had gone on. Got a really good. I didn't know she was niece, so that was a good insight. Really learned a lot about Devanand and his brothers. I didn't know they were brothers. You know how you just watch different movies, so very well presented. I wish we could have it more of these.
Yeah, it was really interesting. We all have always admired Devanand, so it was really great to have an insight into what their lives were all about, and well, hats off to the way she's presented it. Very well done. Thank you.
Thoroughly enjoyed it, and have a special link because my mother's belonged to Gurdaspur, so her father, brothers, everybody knew the family very well. So my grandfather was also a lawyer, so in Gurdaspur, and my mother studied with one of her Masi, Devanand's sister, Boni. So I just messaged her to ask her. She's 95 years old now. And so for us it was like a lot of stories that we've heard about the family from the Gurdaspur angle. And of course we're all fans of them. So it was very enjoyable.
It was just wonderful and nostalgic, especially listening to the songs and the little clips that they had. Suhaila has made a wonderful presentation. I really enjoyed it.
It's a wonderful story of the most brilliant trio of siblings in Indian cinema's history. Also what people underappreciate. What people never appreciate entirely or fully or fairly enough is how political they were and how politically aware all three were, and that's a story that comes out very well in this presentation.
It's a fabulous presentation. There's no other view, and I hope many more shows happen.
Thank you.
कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं